Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. If you're looking to tidy up your iPad's home screen, I'll show you how to create folders to keep your apps organized. It's a quick and simple way to manage your apps and reduce clutter. Start by pressing and holding any app icon on your home screen until the icons start to jiggle. This is the mode that allows you to move apps around or create folders. To create a folder, drag one app icon over another app. Once you release the app, a folder will be automatically created, grouping the two apps together. When the folder is created, tap it to open it. You'll see a text field at the top where you can name the folder. Simply tap the field, type in a name that makes sense for the apps in the folder, and once you're done, press the home button or tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes. You can continue to add more apps to this folder by dragging additional icons into it while in this edit mode. If you decide later that you want to remove an app from the folder, it's easy to do. Just open the folder, press and hold the app you want to move, and drag it back to the home screen. Doing this is actually really useful for several reasons. It helps you organize apps by category so you can find what you need faster. It also reduces clutter on your home screen by grouping similar apps together, which saves space and lets you fit more apps in one area without needing to scroll. Plus, if you have certain apps you use frequently, it's convenient to keep them all in one place for quick access. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips like this. See you later.